Most people get this wrong. They assume a virtual business address is just a mailbox, but the surprising truth is that iPostal One offers much more than mail reception. Today, I'm sharing my full experience using iPostal One for business purposes. iPostal One is a virtual address service that gives you a professional mailing address without renting physical office space. You can use it for receiving mail, packages, and even for registering your business in some states. They scan and email your mail, forward packages, and allow you to manage everything online through their dashboard. Setting up is simple. You choose a location from hundreds of addresses across the U.S., complete verification, and start receiving mail immediately. This service also offers additional features like multiple users, check depositing, and integration with FedEx or UPS for package handling. One of the biggest advantages is professionalism. Using a commercial address instead of your home address can enhance your credibility, especially if you're a freelancer, startup, or remote business. It also adds privacy and separates your personal and business mail. The surprising truth is that while iPostal One is convenient, costs can add up if you require multiple scans, mail forwarding, or package handling. It's important to choose the plan that fits your usage. In conclusion, iPostal One is a strong option for entrepreneurs who want a professional presence without a physical office. It's flexible, easy to use, and gives you control over your mail and packages from anywhere. Subscribe for more honest reviews of business tools and tips for running a remote or small business.